Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and we have two sessions coming your way, courtesy of the Amy Downs team with Place. And this is going to be for 1 hour, riches in the niches. I'm going to show you all the ins and outs of the real estate world, all the different hyper-focused elements that you guys can really build on to grow your business, things that you've never even really thought much about, but it's a potential gold mine for you. Then the second hour, we're going to go into health is wealth. And I think as many of us know as entrepreneurs, our health is important, but it's one of the last things that we focus on. It should be a priority. I'm going to walk you through some of the dangers that are out there and then some of the solutions at the same time. It's going to be a very powerful class for you. So do not want to miss these two sessions. Cost to attend, it's going to be free to attend the workshop. The first hour is CE certified, so if you want to get that, that's going to be $10. We're going to be doing this via Zoom, and this is going to be on Thursday, March 27th from 10 a.m. to noon. Again, courtesy of the Amy Downs team. Hope to see you there. Thanks.